G'day, my name's Joe. I'm the production manager and I'm just over at our holding yard. Over here is where we bring the product back from the paint yard and we fit it out before loading out and dispatching to the clients. This week we've been working on a New Zealand project which we've brought back from the paint yard just in time. We've had electrical fit out, air fit out and ventilation fit out, all achieved in a couple of days, and then we will be loading them into containers this afternoon. So over the last few months, just before Christmas and after, we've been very, very busy up here. We've been pumping out some big meters of pits. We've actually got 3 15-metre pits here as well for our project over in WA. They're up the back there. They'll be getting fit out in the coming days. And we've also got another 30-metre pit for a project down in Victoria, and it's in 3 segments, and it'll also be getting fit out in the coming days. So we're finding that one of the greatest advantages of these prefabricated pits is the ability to do a lot of the work off-site. So when it comes to site, it's almost a plug-and-play system. We set them up on trestles, we bolt them together, make sure the rails are in alignment, and literally lift them in the hole, check them for level, and pour the concrete in and done. And then it's just a matter of hooking up the electrical, and they're pretty much ready to start service. Levanta are Australia and New Zealand's largest manufacturer of prefabricated steel service pits.
If you want to learn more about our products and services, visit our website at levanta.com.au.